this religious experience on whose religious language describes, at its height becomes silence. And before that silence, it becomes symbolical. So, religious thought at first level is literal, as with a common man. Then, after that, mimetic. Mimetic means just like something. Mimetic. After that, symbolic. After that, symptomatic. And lastly, silence. DT is revealed in these lines. Symbolic,
after symbolic,
symptom, yes, symbolic, symptomatic,
and
silence. I will wait. First should be below symbolic, no, symptomatic,
literal, mimetic, then symbolic,
no, then symptomatic.
Before symbolic.
And symbolic.
Order literal, mimetic, symptomatic, symbolic, and silence. And DT is revealed in all these.
DT is revealed in all these levels. Symptomatic pore symbolic pore silence.
Please, don't talk.
Religious experience, religious language must be available to the person before he raises the question of about religion. Suppose a man does not know English, he doesn't know, but he wants to raise questions about English grammar. Can you explain? Can you? He doesn't know English, but he is raising questions about English grammar. Why I am, why he is, why you are. He doesn't know what is you. He doesn't know what is are. What is doesn't he is am. He doesn't know. But can such a man you give any answer to him? Because he has no knowledge of English language. Similarly, he who has no knowledge of religious language and also no knowledge of religious experience, no answer can be given and no answer can satisfy him. God is my Father in heaven. No non-religious man can understand it. God is my Father in heaven. But who has a religious experience? Where from have you got it? No, I have got it from Quran. I must read the Quran. Why one man gets rejoiced, one man rejoices, the other man fails to rejoice? Because the first man has religious experience and a religious language. So trust first कथा मैं कहिबी मुझे एडे बोलू होइछि जे डेकार्टर पूर्व कथा उरा कहिबी rationally smashed it but India रे कथा है नहीं काली बुझु जो कथा वेस्ट रे ही गला काली बोल केतोटे क्लास वेस्टर्न वर्ल्ड रे जिते कथा हे गला थॉट रे साइंस स्टूड अगेंस्ट रिलीजन आमर तो साइंस ता ही होजे रिलीजन ଯେ ଧରନ୍ତୁ ଆୟୁର୍ବେଦ, the science of medicine, science of surgery. You open that book. The aim is not to cure you, but the aim is to give you the knowledge of Brahman. Brahmadatta in mathematics, very difficult book, begins. ये आपको ब्रह्म ज्ञान दे देगा. Everything for ब्रह्म ज्ञान. यूरोप रिटर्न है. Science is against religion. Religion is against dogmatism. Against. हम माइंड तक चापी देले सब इंडियन हम रहते हैं. काली वो कुछ we don't know why science will fight against religion. What's the point? Science has its own experience. Science has its own language. Religion has its own experience. Religion has its own. Wittgenstein in his second book. Of course, I am not a competent person because he did not teach me that. I told teach me Wittgenstein both the books. None of them did. So I did my own way, and I found this is what he found out. No scientific discovery can affect religion, nor any discovery in religion will affect science. Pseudo science and pseudo religion collide with each other. Suppose a new discovery will come in science, it will not affect religion. Because its ground is one, different, and the language is also different. ଜଣେ କହିଲେ ଯଦି ଡିଫରେଣ୍ଟ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ ଏମିତି ହେବ ତାହେଲେ ଭଲ ହେବ. ମୁଁ କ'ଣ ନା ଜଣେ ଶୋଧୁଥିବ ଆଉ ଜଣକ ଜାଣିପାରୁନଥିବ. ଧର ଗୋଟେ ରିକ୍ସା ବାଲା ଯାଉଛି, ସେ ତେଲୁଗୁ ଜାଣିଛି, ଆପଣ ତେଲୁଗୁ ଜାଣିନାହାନ୍ତି. ଆପଣ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜାଣିଛନ୍ତି, ସେ ଓଡ଼ିଆ ଜାଣିନାହିଁ. ସୋଦାସୋଦି ହେଲେ ଦେଖିବା. ନାଇଁ ଆପଣ ହସୁଛନ୍ତି ସିନା, ହସିକିରି ଉଡ଼େଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ ନାହିଁ, ହସିକିରି ଭିତରେ ବୁଡ଼େଇ ଦିଅନ୍ତୁ. ଆମର ଅଧିକାଂଶ କଥା ଆମେ ହସିକି ଉଡ଼େଇ ସୋଦାସୋଦି ହଁ ମୁଁ ଜାଣିପାରୁନି. ଭଲ, ଦ୍ୟାଟ୍ ଇଜ୍ ଦି ଡିଭାଇନ୍ ଗ୍ରେସ୍. ସେ କହିଲା ସମଗ୍ର ପୃଥିବୀରେ ଗୋଟାଏ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ହେବ. ତା ବିରୁଦ୍ଧରେ ପାଇଁ ଏ ଯୁକ୍ତି ଦିଆହେଇଛି. ପୃଥିବୀରେ ଯଦି ଗୋଟାଏ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ହେବ ଲୋକମାନେ ମରାମରି ସବୁ ମରିଯିବେ. ତେଣୁ ସେ କଲା ଲୋକ କରିଛି. ପ୍ରତ୍ୟେକ ଲୋକର ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଅଲଗା ଅଲଗା. ଏ ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍, ଅମୁକ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍, ସେଗୁଡ଼ାକ ମୁଁ ବସିନି. ପ୍ରାଇଭେଟ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ତା ରିଲିଜିୟସ୍ ଲାଙ୍ଗୁଏଜ୍ ଯାହାର ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ରିଲିଜିୟନ୍ କଥା କ'ଣ କରିବ? ଆର୍ଟ କନସିୟସନେସ୍ ଯାହାର ନାହିଁ ତାକୁ ଦେଖିବ ସେ କ'ଣ ହାତ ଗୁଡ଼ା କାହିଁକି ହଲଉଛି ବା ଡ୍ୟାନ୍ସରେ ଆପଣ ହାତ ବି ଏମିତି କରିଦେଲେ. ଯାହାର ଆର୍ଟ କନସିୟସନେସ୍ ନାହିଁ ବୋକା ମହିଳା ଆମ ଚାଲେ ମ୍ୟୁଜିକ୍ ଟିକେ ଶୁଣିବା ଚାଲ ପଳେଇବା. କିରେ ହାତଟା ସେ ଏମିତି କରିସାରିଲାଣି, କେତେଟା ପଦୁ ଫୁଟିଗଲାଣି. ସେଇଟା ଯିଏ ଜାଣିବା ବାଲା ଜାଣିବ ନା. ସୋ the mystics, madam, mystics, ଆପଣ ଭାରି ଦରକାର ମିଷ୍ଟିକ୍. ମିଷ୍ଟିକ୍ ମାନେ ସାଇଲେନ୍ସ. those people are silent. Brahman is silence. And it is established that any argument about Brahman is a mistake. You are mistaking something. So religion must not be taken on trust merely or belief merely. No, it has its own stamina to stand. Nobody believes mathematics. Do you believe mathematics? What do you believe? What is there to believe? Mathematics stands on its own leg. Do you believe in logic? Does anybody believe in logic? No. Result you may believe, but not that logical process. You have nothing to believe. Similarly, religious process, there is nothing to believe. So where is belief? I have not used the word. I am now using it after hearing from it. Not that I had any occasion to use these words. Thank you.
Can a man believe without? Can a man exist, survive without belief?
No, I have never said that. He must believe, and better wrongly believe. All people wrongly believing become happier. This is a joke. I have never said that he should have no belief. Am I such a staunch rationalist? Am I? Do I look like that or talk like that? I admit rationalism, but not that rationalism that man has no belief. That man is a machine. Okay, I have never said so. What I have said is belief, trust. These words came from you and others. I have never uttered this while discussing religious issues. So mysticism is the height of religious experience.
All cases of mystical experiences are not religious.
Pardon?
Mystical experiences are not necessarily religious.
Necessary.
Not necessary.
I mean, it's a silence. What is the necessity there? Somebody is silent.
Somebody who is not religious can't he be a mystic?
Doubtful. The idea is, can be, but there must be some element of religion somewhere. In mathematics, if you concentrate, you become silent. In poetry, if you concentrate, you become silent. In music, if you concentrate, you will become silent. In art, if you concentrate, you become silent. It is a fact. Suppose you are working out mathematics. And suddenly you will see that your hand has stopped and you are silent and the eyes are closed. You have entered into mystical level. All good mathematicians are mystics. You are listening to a sound. Suddenly you find some of you will close their eyes, put their hand and silent. The music is over, still they are in trance. So it's not that. Religion, the element of religion flows to them. Okay, now about mystics, we have understand this is a fact. There are mystics in every field of life. What is mystic? Silence. All doubts are dispelled. As I told you, it is said in our Shastra. Vidyante hridaya granthi chidyante sarva sansaya. All doubts are dispelled. There is no place for doubt. So we do not leave people in darkness and in doubt. We say we are philosophers, we will raise questions, and you remain in darkness and doubt. They say keep your philosophy, get out from Bani Vihar, payment is not made. ସେମାନେ ପଇସା କାହିଁକି ଦେବେ ଆପଣଙ୍କୁ? ଆପଣ ତାଙ୍କୁ ସବୁ ଡାଉଟ୍ରେ ପକେଇ ଦେଇ ଚାଲିଯିବେ। ଲୋକେ କ'ଣ ଆଶା କରନ୍ତି ଆପଣଙ୍କ ସାର୍ପ ଉତ୍ତର, କିନ୍ତୁ ଆପଣ କହିବେ ଆମ ଫିଲୋସଫିରେ ସାର୍ପ ଉତ୍ତର ନାହିଁ। ତାହେଲେ ତ ବେକାର, ୟାଙ୍କୁ ଆଜିଠାରୁ ଆଉ ପଇସା ଦିଆଯିବ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲେ ଆଉ ୟୁ ମଷ୍ଟ ହାଭ୍ ସାର୍ପ ଉତ୍ତର। So let us come to a little different topic. Deity, the object of worship, is deity. Dios. The word Dios gives you them deity. The word Dios gives you the word Deva. The same root. Deity, the root of Latin root is Deus. And Sanskrit root is Deva. So same root human mind has created different words, deity and Deva. So about Deva we may take longer time, but I will give you about the big great capital G. The minor G is let them allow them to quote. So capital G. Remember the minor G also capital G, but it depends upon you whether you put minor G as capital G or capital G as minor G. You read the Herian first chapter of his history of philosophy. You know.
Pardon?
CBDT. समझ दीजिए anything worship is a deity.
Upasya.
Upasya. Devata.
Object of worship.
Object of worship.
Doesn't matter what it is.
What it is.
Then doesn't matter where you worship or what you worship.
What you worship. You worship.
But the fact that you worship.
That is fundamental.
Act of worshipping is more substantive than mode of worship.
Mode of worship. अच्छा सुना अरे बिग जी कैपिटल जी कथा टे सुना से मन दुख करिए कि रिलीजियस क्लास रे मना कहले ने ना हमें कहबा कैपिटल जी माय कैपिटल जी माइट नॉट बी योर कैपिटल जी and both of us may agree in something and you differ from them about G capital G there is no agreement but he has a capital G I have a capital G and you have a capital G. But what that is, we may not agree. But in one thing you must agree now what I said. What is the nature of that G? The nature of the G is different from me. More capital G no. The capital G, my capital G is different from me and also different from everything. Suppose I say, is it your capital G? No. Is it your capital G? No. Then all things and beings are excluded and he is unique. So difference. That is called deism. D-I-S-M. Whole Bible is charged with deism. Hicks रा बही देखला नो का पाई माने कि हिक्स बही खाई पड़े फिर फर्स्ट लाइन नु कारे दे पसी गला रे deism भीतर यानी क्या तो गोड़ी पे जाने deism कौन the creator and created are absolutely different बस आगे and creator are absolutely different. Why? Because creator is active, created is passive. Oh, don't go. Now you accept that creator and created are different. So this is deism. And you will find also higher than deism is pantheism. Pantheism. The whole universe is my G. Pardon? God.
Everything is God and God is everything.
God is identical with nature.
Pardon?
God is identical with nature.
आज आपण माने पढी नंती आपण छाड़ छथि मु खाली बुझे दोछि कथाटा कोन डीइज्म ऊपर को ये समग्र सर्वम ब्रह्मम दिस इज पैंथीज्म higher than pantheism is panentheism. Panentheism.
All inclusive nature.
Panentheism.
Transcendent.
Panentheism. It transcends. Panentheism, which also bracket can be said theism. God exists. Capital G. How it exists? It covers up the whole universe and goes beyond it. If you like to rise above, you can rise, but I will not advise you to rise. Higher than panentheism is silence. Neither I know nor you know. And one thing can be added, that capital G is your own Atma. This is Vedanta. That capital G is our own Atma. But Shunyavad will say, no, we will not allow that your Atma should be capital C, will allow silence. Just slim bubble. Nagarjuna. Beyond this, there is no reach. This is the highest that a religious experience can give us thus far in the whole world. Ayamatma Shantaha. Ayam and this. Ayamatma Shantaha. Shanta means silence. Atma silence. Meditation will give you Shanta. You can climb these steps through yoga. Patanjali yoga, Ashtanga yoga. You can climb. So, yoga comes as a help, a very much practical help to you to realize the religious truth. And now yoga is so popular, and I don't know why popular, but it is popular. What is in yoga? Ashtanga yoga. Yama, Niyama only means discipline. First get discipline in your character. You are indisciplined. Yama, Niyama. Read this Yama, Niyama and practice, which is only demanding of discipline. So Yama, Niyama will be taken as discipline. He who is indisciplined cannot climb the steps of Brahman, yoga. And the discipline goes to that extent. It is called Hatha Yoga, very difficult. You can just look like this for 40 hours without winking your eye. I have seen. My Lord, they have commanded involuntary muscles. That is easy. They can bring the ear without touching in hand like this. I say, hey, what is this? You have voluntary muscles. Some knowledge of physiology must be with you. You have voluntary muscles and involuntary muscles. These are set with the involuntary muscles. With voluntarily you cannot do anything with them. But I have seen yogis, they bring both their ears. That means they have command over every involuntary muscle. Here is involuntary muscle. It is winking. They look and tratak, that is called tratak. They look and sit. 24 hours, there is not a wink in their eye. What does it mean? It means only discipline. You have disciplined, undisciplined elements of your body. Yama, Niyama, Asana. Asana is nothing other than taking a posture. It is a posture. And by taking a posture, what happens? Your posture will give you emotions and thought. What is that psychological question? James Lange theory. These are all hard psychology. James Lange have established your posture will bring corresponding emotion and thought to you. ଆପଣ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଆଉ ହଲିଗଲେ ହେବନି ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ବିଭିନ୍ନ ପଶ୍ଚାତରେ ସମୟ ବସିଛନ୍ତି ମୁଁ ବି ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ବହିଛି ଆଉ ଗୋଟେ ପ୍ରୟୋଗ ବହିଛି ସେଗୁଡ଼ା କାମ ଥଟ୍ ଆଣ୍ଡ ଇମୋସନକୁ କଣ୍ଟ୍ରୋଲ ଆପଣ ଯଦି କାନ୍ଦିବାକୁ ଚାହାନ୍ତି କାନ୍ଦିବା ପଶ୍ଚାତରେ ବସିଲା କ୍ଷଣି ଆପଣ କାନ୍ଦିବେ ସୋ ଆସନ ହେଲା ପଶ୍ଚର and posture has ଆପଣ ଦେଖନ୍ତୁ ଗୋଟେ କୁକୁର ସେମିତି ଶୋଇଛି that is the yoga All this has been brought from animals. Don't a monkey. See, angry hava purvuru ta posture badalai pare. It has been observed carefully by people of India, and they have established yoga. And this yoga means posture, asana. Emiti asana karibo, bodo upuru uteki, that is detailed by any asana. But Shankaracharya has given a wonderful definition of asana. Sthiram, Sukham, asana. In whatever posture, you can sit sthiram and sukham in pure happiness and pure steadiness. If you occupy, that is your asana. Sthiram, sukham, asana. केते घंटा आपण गोटे चेयर रे बसचंती उठु नाहंती. That knows your yoga siddhi.
All asanas have been named after birds or animals.
Bhujangasana, Mayurasana, Sarpasana. ऐसा आरिजिरो आनिचंती सब देखिथि. किंतु जो लोक गोटे आसन में बसछि दीर्घ समय धरि से कौन ना कौन उपाय योग सिद्धि. स्टिमुलेशन पे हमर चा दरकार, कहार आउ चा ऊपर जिनस दरकार, कहार ता ऊपर जिनस दरकार, किछि नाही, नॉट इवन पानी दरकार. योग सिद्धि काढे असंभव. So what I mean is your posture will determine your thought and mind. James Lange theory in psychology, James Lange theory, if you change your posture, even you can set tears. There are postures. So yoga in the asana is this. But the main purpose of asana is sthiram, sukham, asana. Posture. ऑफिस की गले देखिए ना, बाबू माने घंटे बसी पर ना दिसे आबे. चल कौन ना टी खाइए बाबू पर 1000 टंका पाउछंदी श्रमिक टंका रे एवं टी न खाइले बंद कर. टी खाऊ टी भी तम खाइ होई आसी पर ना भक्त माने बोलछथि हाथ टंका साइन करा को मास को 1000 न एक बार लाख रे साइन कर नौ सेम थरे जदि यही मार्ग रे पसिरे किछि खाया दरकार नहीं, पीवा दरकार नहीं, उठिवा दरकार ना कल. यस चलना 10 कप फाइल ऊपर सब पढुछि सब लिख दउछि. से किन संभव होछि भाई आसन सिद्धि बच्चे इवन मो जो पश्चर बदल होची ता भी बदलवा दरकार नहीं. खाली रोज 10टा नु चले केजाए फाइल अछि की अब एपटे देखो गद्दा है कने बाबू बेला नहीं ना बोर है जो देखो सारा भांगी स्थिरम सुखम ही पर नहीं तर कौन ह्यूमैनिटी इंप्रूव करे वो दबा नहीं. फर्स्ट इंप्रूव योरसेल्फ. आई डू नॉट वांट एनीथिंग. जति दरकार शरीर आज आता टिके पानी टिके तेल टिके खाद्य टिके पड़ेगा या पड़ो बोले महण तेल महण पानी महण बिस्कुट आ भितर पुरोच सेम 2-4टा कुकुड़ा गोटाए गंडाए खंडे छेली. माय लॉर्ड व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? यू आर swallowing the whole world. Simple. So this is yoga line. तार ये जहाँ सब हुई सब आपण बहुत अच्छी तरह लिखे. तले सर्वभूत स्तमात्मानं सर्वभूतानि चात्मनि इच्छते जगजुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शना. मुझे जब जन मत कहला भगवान लिखी माने कौन मुझे तुम सब संस्कृत मास्टर जाके एकाठी चारोटी श्लोक जो लिखि आण ताहले मुझे जानी जे मनुष्य मैंने कहीपर आज दरकार पड़ो फिलोसफी मास्टर अनुमोदन हम हाड़ी दैट इज द प्रूफ मुझे दैट इज द प्रूफ तुम कर ना ये गीत को नहीं जा घरे बसिक लिखि आण गोटे पद लिखि आण कौन कहते कौन कहते सर्वभूता स्तमात्मान सब भूत भितर आत्मा को देखिए तू निजे सर्वभूता स्तमात्मान सर्वभूतानि चात्मने से कुंभटे मत देखिए कौन कर ईक्षते जोगयुक्तात्मा जी जोगयुक्तात्मा से बाटे जाइए से देखिपारे ईक्षते नॉट श्रूयते ईक्षते जोगयुक्तात्मा सर्वत्र समदर्शन आप खाता देख गोटे पिला आप जीवन तमाम हैरान कर खाता आप चाहते तार अनिष्ट नकले आपणकर प्राण कंटक बहुत हैरान कर कलम धरले सर्वत्र समदर्शन आपण निज पुओ पढ़ते जो मार्क पाई था से मार्क कहीं ना शत्रु मित्र तार ना इच्छते जगजुक्तात्मा चार आ गए धर्म तार आ गए राजनीति कौन कह सर्वत्र समदर्शन ये कथा सब कहवा ये षष्ठ अध्याय मु भावी दशम कह 11 देखिले भगवान किसी होनी अर्जुन आदम पारि हो कौन करेंगे जुक्ति पचार चलती प्रश्न पचार चलती प्रश्न पचार चलती कही अर्जुन पारि केमी कौन करेंगे विचार ये तो सांग ना सांग को गला प्रश्न पचार चलती बहुत से कले पश्चिमे पार्थ रूपाणी शत शोथ सहस्रश देख देख मत देख पश्य पश्य मान देख देखिए बोपाल तो धनु फनु पकड़ पड़ा मिस्टीरियम ट्रेंड ये कहार आउ है जानते आटम बम जी पकेला प्रथम जापान उपरे से टोकार आटम बम तो कहते से जानी आटम बम कौन से कौन जानी आटम किए जान तक खंदी तो जहाज करे नहीं हिरोशिमा पर फसई से नहीं चलिए तो सबुथ फास्ट पिला दिन उड़ी चलिए तुम बम देते ना जीवन में केते बम से पकई से रिलीज कर सी रिलीज खसीगला हठात तक अनयूजुअल शक लगे से देखी अनयूजुअल शक लगे तो कौन है कि फेरी पड़ी प्लेन रू आने पागल मिस्टीरियम ट्रेमेंड्रम से लिखाई भगवद गीतार एक लिखे भगवत साइंटिस्ट में लिखी भगवद गीतार पश्चिमे पार्थ रूपाणी कौन है एवरीथिंग बिकेम नथिंग से लिखे एवरीथिंग बिकेम नथिंग संगे संगे पागल कहला माँ माँ तू मत कहीं जन्म देलु यही सकाशे जन्म देलु मुझे प्रकार बढ़िया पायलट थी मत एमती करदेला मो देश उड़ेगी जाए पलि आसला कहला डॉक्टर मैंने छड़ा जिन भी लैंडिंग कर 6 years रहा ट्रिटमेंट देखी कौन देखी ये से कहते यहीटा केवल भगवद गीता अच्छी भगवद गीता पिलाया खेल लिखा है आटम बम पड़ा जो एवरीथिंग बिकेम नथिंग बड़ बड़ पिलार देखी सिनेमा ये जो रिलेटिव कुंभ जहाँ देखो चल जाऊँ जहाँ देखो चल जाऊँ कौन चल जाऊँ एवरीथिंग इज बिकमिंग नथिंग ये अनुभव सही पार से पागल कहला मदर मत कौन पाई जन्म करूँ मुझे विद्या साधी थी मो हाथ में यही कम मो लेसन कर से अमेरिका वाला छाड़देवी कि लगी जाती ना गोटे लोक जब आत्महत्या करदेला लगिगले अमेरिका वाला कौन भी आत्महत्या कर आमर आत्महत्या कर कि जहाँ कर हाँ तो भाग्य था से मरिया सो आम साथ कंपेयर करला माने आम कौन से लेवल को उठी ना वी आर सो सॉरी कि आम उठुचु एगुड़ा अच्छे आमरी भाग्य को आमरी बोली कहे कौन आम कौट क्या तेणु सी जो एटा मिस्टीरियम ट्रिमेंड्रम मन रखते आटम बम जो पकई सी देखी से कोबाल्ट बम पकड़े कौन हम से बेटर हम आउ कि ना एवरीथिंग इज आउट खाली बाली गुड़ाक चिक 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 कोठा बाड़ी किसी ना म बाली गुड़ाक चिक 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 रेडी कर बस आउ थरे के गोटे साउंड भी है से गुड़ा कह मिस्टीरियम ट्रिमेंड्रम जहाँ से अनुभवटा से भीतर कर से रिलीजियस सम्मत रिलीजियस आम कौन दरकार समझे रिलीजियस हूँ ना कौन किंतु मो पूर्व मो थट भूलिए नहीं एवरीबॉडी इज रिलीजियस विद इन हिमसेल्फ एवं तार खाली टे जत्न ने से गछटा बढ़े इे मुझे कहीं ही पारे साड़े मुझे जत्न ने बढ़े 11th चैप्टर भगवद गीता बोलो ना घर बस देखिए कौन अच्छा आपको शुणा पर किसी गोटे ड्रामा हो शुणा पर किसी गोटे फिलोसॉफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग अबाउट रिलीजन हो आई वांट आस्क एवरीबॉडी रिलीजन विषय गोटे किसी फिलोसॉफिक अंडरस्टैंडिंग हो
मिस्टीरियम ट्रिमेंड्रम
philosophy understand direct
itself
silence ये बोले direct experience feeling understanding also feeling religious feeling
अंडरस्टैंडिंग कौन फीलिंग का पूरा बेसिकली कंट्रोल करछे अंडरस्टैंडिंग कंट्रोल करछे जे कि काहे की कंट्रोल करि पारना इमोशन ना आपन समग्र जीवन ता इमोशन रे कंट्रोल होछ आपन जो को ये मो पुओ कोन अंडरस्टैंडिंग से काम करछी
सीधे मनुष्य तो बेसिक ट्रबल फेस कर प्रॉब्लम लाइक
हमें तो पढ़े केमिति ट्रबल फेस
एंड रीजन
मनुष्य एटा चढ़े माने या
So friends, we conclude today. Only thing is, such talks are released, but cannot be said. There are certain things which can be experienced and released, but cannot be said. Because to share, you need symbols. So all symbols cannot describe as symbolized. So there are certain native limitations of the process of symbolization. So this is how this is taken as a I personally, because I don't eulogize or don't make much of what he is, because I cannot. So philosophy is thought, discussed, enacted, and experienced, and giving us the feeling of mysterium tremendum. The talk itself is an instance. I am saying it, bypassing him. I am just sharing with you. All his talks, I could not know all my study and exposure that religion can be discussed on the three axes: this cognition, volition, and affection.
affection our emotion
How these things are there. Religion is inner character as a basic disposition. It's not an acquired something. It is innate, but it has to be aroused. I think he has not only given us clarity through illumination of what religion is about, but he has also aroused or roused this religious disposition in us. Because I did not know the interpretation of Patanjali, the Eightfold was so simple and near way. The Jamanya means discipline. Pranaya means rhythmic breathing, slow and rhythmic. The slower it is, the more rhythmic it is, the longer the life. And then of the pranayama, then pratyahara is the real secret. The real yoga starts there. you have to have control, restraint.
Allah-
Before you seek, you withdraw. The Timi example he was giving.
Before you seek, you withdraw. That is his language. That is
Your alertness.
ଆରେ ବୁଢ଼ୀ ସାରିଲାଣି କହୁଛି କ'ଣ ହେଇଛି କି ପାଣି ତଳେ ଗଲୁଣି ଆଉ କ'ଣ ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା
Then it is not enough that you withdraw, but your mind has to move. You need a direction. So there is a flow, dharana. But in flow, you are there is a flow. But the flow is fixed. There is a fixity of object, dhyana. Then you forget yourself, there is only the object. This object is lost. But in samadhi, both are lost. Neither the subject, dissolution of the subject and object. That is silence. So silence is above all polarities. That is what you were trying to suggest. And he was trying to show how silence can be approached through Nagarjuna, through debates and discussions, through yoga, practical process. And I was trying to, while trying to expound the dynamics of silence, he took the example of Bhagavad Gita, this Vishwarma Darshana and taking the example, instances of the person who, through his bomb on Nagasaki and Hiroshima, saw the devastation. So, see, these talks have to be kept at the background before our philosophy journey. Both at the background and the foreground. I am yet to see such talk. I have never heard. That is why I rank him as the highest that I have seen across the world. Our teacher professor.
ଆଉ କିଛି ନାହିଁ ମୋ ବାବା ଯାହା କହିବ କହ ଆଉ ଆମେ ଦେଖିବି ବସିଲେ କ'ଣ ହଉଛ ମୁଁ ଉଠିବି
Monday second period.